My name's Mary Carswell-Gates, and I'm an English literature major here at Trent. I think the best parts about the English program at Trent is there's so many different avenues for you to study within English literature. So there are courses in Shakespeare and Middle English and all the way back to early Old English, and so you can really go back as far as, the language goes back, but you can also take things like popular fiction and contemporary can lit, so you can study things that were released in the last few years. So it's really, there's a large category of different things that you can do. I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do when I switched into English, but I managed to get a job on campus that kind of opened me to the world of marketing and interacting with people on social media, and I discovered that that's what I love, and that's what I love about English. So now, as I head towards graduation, I know that after school, that's something I want to pursue, and I want to help people communicate and tell their stories and to share stories with people. So for students interested in coming to Trent, I would 100% recommend it. This has been a life-changing experience for me, and it's allowed me to find myself and to find my interests and to build a family of friends that I know I'm going to take forth wherever I go for years and years to come.